Hello guys, today I will explain you a new application, a new mining application. Also it's in a site, the link will be in description, to get money from reviewing a product. Like you see, this is our home page. We click in sign up, you put your name and last name, then you put your email. Your email must be PayPal email. In this case, you will put your PayPal email here to get paid in it. Don't put any other mail. Then password, then confirm password. After completing the first step and putting your PayPal email, you upload your image to the site. It must be in a nice image of you or of it must be of you. After uploading your image, you choose your interest. Let's choose our interest: advertising, anime, activities. Let's choose. You can choose anyone as you want to get many offer in your let's choose many to get many offer in your account. Now we click next. You must have 10 on only 10. We click next. You must choose 10. It was, now it must be. Now you must put your bio here and make a good bio for yourself to attract people. Now I will just I will do another time. Add up to 5 additional photo. You can add more photo. I advise you to add more photo. Now we click next. Now we put your address and all your information here. After completing your details, you must connect your one of your social media. Let's go to TikTok. Let's you see here. You copy your URL from TikTok and put it. Like you see, I add TikTok. You can add many as you want here to be a trusted profile. Now we click next. Now you can get free product and you can get also cash if you want to be paid. Don't forget, you must register with your PayPal email. Here we say accepted cash value minimum. Let put 10. Now we click next. Let's select this one. Here you put your details. Like you see, this is our profile. I just put this profile for demonstration. Like you see, here you can find your earning summary. Here my offers. If you want to put an offer here and paid people, we go to marketplace. Here you will find these 3 opportunity to participate. Let's click in this. Like you see, you must you must read what's needs. You can use Google Translation. Like you see, in this product you must purchase the product. This one, work description, film yourself ironing these clothes. This one also, rate and write a review for sleek calendar. You just rate a calendar. Link back here, suggested post up and a few weeks. Write your honest feeling and explain after using the app for a week or so. Don't write a review until you use the app and daily basic and feel in love with it, which will be guaranteed. Link back. Please use the app. Like you see, you can participate. I will participate in this one. I want participate in this product review, and we apply. Like we say, we wait until it will be submission, and when it will be submitted, like you see, I already done my reminder here. Earning summary, when it will be accepted. Like you see, contacted here in transaction, you open contacted, like you see, send application, it will contact you here and do exactly what they want. When you read let's go to the marketplace like I shown. You must read this description to know how to do this offer. Like you see, cash competition $115. Like you see, it's simple. You go to marketplace, you select the offer, you read the offer. If you can do it, you just apply and click and send message that you want to participate in the offer. You will find in transaction. You after that you will get here, you will get message in your account. You complete the offer as description says, and you get paid. This is a way how to earn money from internet, legal, 100% paying. Also, you can earn by referring people over $5 and 10% by brand. The link will be in description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.